Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Synthesia with Zapier for AI video captioning automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your Synthesia account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll find options related to your AI video projects. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to the Zapier website. If you don't already have a Zapier account, sign up for one. After logging into Zapier, click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger section, search for Synthesia. Choose the Synthesia app from the list of options. Select the trigger event that suits your needs, such as new video created. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, connect your Synthesia account by clicking on the Sign in to Synthesia button. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Synthesia account. After your account is connected, click Continue. In the next step, you will need to test your trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Once the test is successful, click Continue. Now, it's time to set up the Action section. In the Action section, search for your desired app for video captioning, like Google Docs or another text service. Select the app you want to use for captioning. Choose the action event, such as Create Document or Send Text. Click Continue to link your account for the selected app. Authenticate the app following the provided prompts. After authorization, click Continue. Now, map the data from the Synthesia trigger to the fields in your Action app. This includes attributes like video title, description, and generated captions. Once you have mapped the fields correctly, click Continue. Next, test your action to ensure it is functioning as expected. After a successful test, click on Turn on Zap to activate your integration. You have now completed the process to connect Synthesia with Zapier for AI video captioning automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.